Quite a while today. The chatter online from people who live in Mahoning County, southern Trumbull, northern Columbiana was, where's the snow? Where is all this snow? It was falling and it accumulated fast in some areas earlier today. And I said, be patient, the snow is coming. And in areas that did not see much at all during the daylight hours, we got a pretty good winter wallop this evening. Here's a look at some snowfall totals up in Trumbull County, Southington, 9-10 inches, pretty common up here. Once you get up towards Williamsfield and closer to the Ashtabula County line, a foot worth of snow pretty commonplace. And down in Hermitage and in Sharpsville and around the Sharon area, about a half a foot worth of snow was a pretty common sight. Greenville over Mercer County, 10 inches. New Lebanon, 8. Fredonia, 11 inches. Again, 12 inches or so definitely occurred in some parts of central and northern Mercer counties, especially even down towards the Ohio River, down closer to Calcutta. In East Liverpool, a half a foot worth of snow earlier on today. But for a lot of the daylight hours, especially in this zone right here, we were wondering, where is the snow? This was an underachiever for a while, but then the snow did fill in and roads got pretty tricky. Even in parts of Mahoning County that saw very little snow earlier today, things got pretty slick this evening. This is all part of a low pressure system spinning across western New York this evening, but it's finally making some eastward progress, and that is going to shut down the snow machine in pretty short order over the next couple of hours. The snow is going to continue tapering off, and actually the sky will try to clear later on tonight into first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures dropping a couple of degrees. Now, if the sky clears a little bit sooner, I could see where we get a little bit colder than this, and that would increase the risk of a few slick spots by tomorrow morning. Our Do Cut Big Dig contest qualifier tonight, Dan Boss from Austintown. Dan, you have 21 minutes to call that number. It's 1-800-488-9365 and hit option 5. All right, sunglasses needed tomorrow. The snow on the ground, the bright sunshine, it's going to be blinding out there at times, but it'll be nice to see the sun. It's going to be a little bit on the chilly side, though, with temperatures struggling up into the upper 30s tomorrow afternoon. I think we'll see a veil of high clouds on Thursday, making for kind of a milky sky, but we're dry this day. And then on Friday, it's kind of a squeeze play. We've got a cold front to the north, a warm front to the south, and in between, there might be a touch of rain Friday afternoon. But as we fast forward through the coming weekend and beyond, trough of low pressure in the east, a ridge of high pressure continuing to dominate out west, and that's going to keep most of the warmer than average temperatures out in the western U.S. for the short and medium term. Anyway, 40 degrees Thursday and Friday, and we'll be in similar fashion as we head into the weekend, upper 30s to around 40. A shot of cooler air, though, arriving by early next week, no higher than about freezing early in the week, and we'll stay in the 30s, it looks like, for daytime highs for a handful of days during next week. Chris?
Well, Eric, it looks like we have some chilly air in the offing for the short term and even into the longer range. You're seeing that hanging around?
I think so, through at least mid-December. Now, I still think that the winter overall is going to be warmer than average, but the next couple of weeks, maybe even the next 3 weeks, looking pretty chilly.